Welcome to Top Unique Hair. Today we'd like to take you inside our factory and show you how our hair systems are carefully made. Step by step, by seeing our production process and details up close, you will understand why you can trust our quality of the products.
The very first and crucial step is preparing the hair material for your orders by selecting premium hair and following a precise color matching process. We create high-quality hair pieces and wigs that look natural and flawless. The hair is bleached to remove its natural base color using formulas we've developed to protect and preserve its beautiful natural qualities. These formulas are designed to effectively lift color while protecting the hair's cuticle, strength, and softness, ensuring the hair maintains its natural look, feel, and long-lasting quality. Curly styles come in 10 mm, 15 mm, 20 mm, 22 mm, and 25 mm sizes. Each curl is created by carefully wrapping small sections of hair around specially sized rods, ensuring uniform, precise curls. Completing a full head takes several hours. Once the hair is carefully wrapped around the rods, it is placed in a steam setting machine to lock in the shape. This process ensures a long-lasting, defined curl, giving the hair system a beautiful, permanent curly look that maintains its texture and style over time. Now let's take a closer look at how a super thin skin base is crafted to create the most natural hairline and an overall realistic appearance. We offer a range of skin thickness options. In general, the thinner the skin base, the more natural it looks, though it will be less durable compared to thicker options. For every custom order made from a template, a plaster mold is created to accurately capture the shape, contour, and size of the head, ensuring a precise fit for the final base. The most effective way to achieve a perfectly matched hair system is by choosing a custom order. By providing your template and hair sample, the finished system will be tailored to fit you perfectly. Typically, a custom order takes about 6-7 weeks to complete, but with our rush service, production can be finished in as little as 4 weeks. A small yet essential step involves drawing a ventilation pattern on the base, guiding our craftsmen on exactly how to ventilate the hair for a flawless final result. We are doing this also because both the ventilation technique and hair direction vary across different sections. This approach mimics natural hair growth, ensuring the most realistic appearance possible. This is how a hybrid base of lace plus skin is made. The production of hybrid bases involves combining multiple base layers, along with adhesive application, base shaping, and heat processes. This essential step, known as reinforcement stitching, is carried out on full lace bases as well as the lace sections of hybrid bases, and it can take several hours to complete. This stitching line helps the hair system base maintain its shape and curvature, while also improving its firmness and overall durability.
This is our hand ventilation workshop.
Each strand of hair is hand ventilated by experienced craftsmen. This delicate process demands exceptional patience, skill, and precision to ensure long-lasting durability and a natural appearance. Ventilation is the art of individually tying each strand to the base, bringing the wig to life. This highly skilled craftsmanship results in hair systems, wigs, and toppers that are truly exceptional. After ventilation, the next step is the application of the final poly layer to secure the hair roots and prevent shedding or thinning. The final step is setting the hair into a specific curl pattern to maintain its shape and condition. We also provide hair pre-cut services. Simply share your desired hairstyle and hair length, and we will craft it for you. Visit our haircut workshop to see the meticulous care we put into every cut. The final step is quality control. Every specification is carefully checked to ensure that each piece you receive meets our high-quality standards. Topunique Hair's mission is to make high-quality hair systems and wigs accessible to everyone through our advanced supply chain and production capabilities. Beautiful hair shouldn't cost a fortune, and everyone deserves to look and feel their best every day.